Hello Neurons. Welcome to this course of YOLOX. My name is Bappy Ahmed and I am a junior data scientist at iNeuron and I'll be your course instructor. So through this small course, we'll be learning about this YOLOX. So if you have some kinds of custom data and if you want to apply the object detection on top of that, so I'll be showing you by using this YOLOX how we can do this kinds of object detection. So if you don't know, this YOLOX is an state-of-the-art object detection model, and recently it came around 2021, and it is like quite fast. If you do the inferencing, so you will be realizing like it is quite fast, and if you see the average precision of that, it is like quite high. So I'll be showing you. So I believe you are already familiar with this computer vision, object detection, and image segmentation, image classification. These are some basic tasks. And I think you have already worked with this TensorFlow, TensorFlow 2, like TensorFlow object detection, and YOLO v5 and detect on true. These are framework or algorithm I think you are already familiar with. So before discussing about this YOLOX, let me talk about this YOLO family. So I think you have heard of this YOLO family, and you are already familiar with this YOLO R and YOLO YOLO v3, YOLO v4, and most probably this YOLO v5. I think everybody have already worked with that YOLO v5. So these are some YOLO series model actually we use when we do object detection, and you can say many more tasks. But this YOLOX came up with, you can say, more higher power and more average precision, so that like it is like more optimized. Okay, it will give more optimized result, and it is like more state of the art algorithm, I can say. Okay, now let's talk about this YOLOX research. Actually, the first research started by this Jengi, this person. Okay, actually there are lots of person they started researching on this YOLOX. So this is the paper link. I will be giving the paper link in your resources section, okay, so that you can refer. So let me show you the paper once, okay, so that like you can get more idea. So this is the actually YOLOX paper, and they have named it like Exceeding YOLO series in 2021. And these are the authors of this paper. And if you see like these two graphs, okay, so you will get the idea like how powerful it is and like how good it is. Okay, so if you see like they have trained on the Tesla V100. Okay, so they have trained with this Tesla V100, and if you see the latency, okay, and if you see with compared to their like average precision score on the Coco data set, so it is like very high. Okay, it is like very high with compared to other models. And if I show you the number of parameters, okay, because in a, you can say, algorithm or in architecture, this parameter is like main things. Okay, so if there is a lots of parameter, okay, your model training time would be like more high, and this prediction time would be more high. But if I reduce the parameters, okay, yeah, your model would be like very fast. Okay, if you do the inferencing, it would be very fast. If you see number of parameters, okay, number of parameters, so if you see that, so this YOLOX, okay, this parameters is also less, and if you see the average precision score, it is like also high. See, with compared to other models, so see, the parameters is less, but the average precision is high. Okay, so like see the architecture, okay, how they have developed, because if you see the architecture, so they have done some modification, okay, with compared to this YOLO or other series of YOLO family. Okay, but these are like quite good. And if you see the speed and accuracy, it is like quite good. It will give quite good result. And if you want to apply object detection, so you can easily use that. And you can go through the paper. Okay, so they have written each and everything. So if you want to deep dive and if you want to know more, okay, so see, this is the architecture actually. So they have made kinds of decoupled head, okay, on this YOLOX. So you can read about that. So this is the paper, guys. Actually, if you want to deep dive, so you can refer this paper, and you will get the idea. So now let's talk about what's new in this YOLOX. So if you see, YOLOX is the latest version of YOLO models and pushing the limit in terms of the speed and the accuracy. Okay, so it is just increasing your speed and also increasing your accuracy, okay, simultaneously. So it is like quite good. And YOLOX like most recently on this streaming perception challenge. Okay, you can say workshop on this autonomous driving at this CVPR 2021. Okay, so it has like on this challenge. And if you see, this is the architecture they have developed. Okay, so kinds of decoupled head they have developed instead of this like you can see YOLO head. So they have changed the YOLO head with this decoupled head. Okay, so if you are already familiar with the YOLO, okay, so I think uh, you can compare with, okay, what kinds of change they have done. So we can read from here. So the biggest modeling changes includes the removal of bounding anchors and improves the probability of the model to the edge devices, and decoupling of the YOLO detection head into separate feature channels of the box classification and box regression. Okay, so they have kinds of they can say made some changes. You can say instead of YOLO head, they have implemented this decoupled head. Okay, I mean on top of that, and this is the like architecture. Okay, so you can, if you read the paper, so you will get more idea about that, what is this decoupled head. If you see the, you can say, benchmark, so you can see the decoupled head actually, this is like quite high average precision with compared to YOLO head. Okay, so this is the comparison you can see from the graph. Now let's talk about the steps so we are gonna do in that short course. So first of all, I'll be showing you the installation of this YOLOX. Okay, like what kinds of dependency it has, I'll be showing you. And we'll be downloading our custom data set. If you have some kinds of custom data set, so you can like download that. So I'll be also showing you how to download these pretend models, and how to do the training on top of that. And after training, I'll be showing you the evaluation process, and running this running your new model on top of your new data. Okay, how you can run that. And at the last of this course, I'll be showing you like how to export these models, okay, for your future task. Okay, so if you want to implement any kinds of web application or any other things, okay, you can use your model for doing that. Okay, so these are some steps we are gonna perform in through this short course. So I cannot say it's a course. Okay, it's a kinds of little discussion on this YOLOX. Kinds of, you can say, if you have custom data, and if you want to do object detection, so how you can use this YOLOX the model, okay, on top of your custom data. So yes guys, this was all about from my side, and this was all about from my video. And in the next video, I'll be showing you the setup of this YOLOX. And let's meet at the next video. Thank you so much.